This is called bandej fabric, and it's very famous and favorite of Gujarati people. Yes, border. In border you will get figures like elephants and peoples going at the wedding function like this. So it shows our culture.
Okay.
Very unique and different, because in this we have shown you culture of village. So this work is called Gamti work, and you will get embroidery work and Jardoshi work and thread work in it. Let's see designs, peacock design, elephant and all. So it shows our rich culture of India, and material is of full guarantee. We are giving you guarantee of fabric and guarantee of color. So many happy customers are over here, and we have also put reviews of happy customers at our Instagram profile, at our Facebook profile, and you will get so many catalogs, images of sarees and dresses and kurtis at our profile. We are providing our customers kurtis, dresses, all things set wise. So this is one set like this. Packing is also superb. You will get all things perfectly. So let's unpack it. This is first kurti. So it looks like this. So let's open it and look how it is. So this is simple kurti, and it is 3-piece kurti actually. So it's like this, and I want to show you perfectly. So this is daily wear kurti, and it's very awesome. Our place is very big, right? So it is possible to keep so many products like this. So this is also beautiful sari, Banarasi sari. Banarasi sari, very Banarasi sari is in heavy demand. It's running. So you can see here are our customers. So every day from every state we are welcoming customers, and customers are watching different sarees and they are purchasing. This is different packing. So all packing is different because of brand. This is Pihu brand, right? So Pihu brand, let's open it. So these are such colors. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces set. So if you also want to order, you can definitely order, but set wise, because we are manufacturer and we only deal in wholesale. So many departments are here, and I want to show you one more thing, that here is our big screen where you can see different section, different department. Here we have so many stocks of kurtis, Kashmiri suits, Pakistani suits, Indian suits, daily wear kurtis, designer gowns, beautiful kurtis, and each and everything. So let's say I want to show you this place. This is an amazing place. I want to share with you one thing, that yesterday we had visited one place that was manufacturing unit of Saidhar Annex, and today I am showing you a place that is our factory outlet, our sales office, where you can see ready-made products over here. So these are boxes, sales boxes, and packing. If you want to order some products from here, you have to order set wise. So many products like this, different colors, shades, every size you will get, like small, XL, double XL, triple XL, 4XL, whatever you want you will get here. Under one roof you will get more than 1,000 catalogs. For example, you can see here so many brands, so many catalogs are here. Let's see randomly some products and catalogs. This is a brand called Sabha. Wow, amazing. Look at some pictures like this. So we have so many Indian dress. If you want something of South culture, you will get it. You want something from North culture, you will also get it. Everything, every culture, every taste, every fashion, every style, you will got Rosie, this brand. So under one roof you will get more than 1,000 catalogs, more than 1,000 brands, each and everything. What not? If you can think it, we can provide it. You have to just visit our Instagram profile, Facebook profile, and you will see lots of more images, more catalogs over here. So these are sets of dresses, kurtis, heavy kurtis. Let's see something. These are amazing accessories with the dress, and amazing heavy work are also done. So such things are also in heavy demand. So let's unpack it and see how it is. So it's very interesting, new fashion, new. This is totally boutique collection. Wow, roses, golden roses are here, and look at the finishing. So these things are matter to customers. So if you are thinking to start some business of kurti, sarees, dress, and confused about where to purchase and all, so you can visit us. It's not compulsory that you have to buy. No, not compulsory. You just visit us, meet us. Our team, our employees will guide you, will give you every information about products, business, and all. You are just call away. You are just WhatsApp away.
WhatsApp call.
Yes, WhatsApp call. You can also do video call. That facility also we provide. If you want to see our products by video call, you can see. And if you just send WhatsApp message, hi, we will send you some of our main products, our catalogs, our images. So let's not waste time and let's
Can you show
go
us some samples of like this
Oh,
kurtis?
definitely.
Then
There are so many kurtis, so many amazing products, and I want to show you some amazing
something which you
products.
like. Yeah.
Yes, definitely. So I want to show you some products. So let's go ahead. And here we have some kurtis. Let's see. So these are gown, heavy gown. So you can see party wear gown, full length, floor touch length, and designs and finishing are superb, awesome, and the things are so rare and uncommon. So let's see another kurti like this. If you want some from daily wear products, so this can be simple and sober, beautiful daily wear kurtis. This is very simple, but some designs are very unique and different. Pink color, and this is very different and amazing products. So let's see what it is. So this is the full top, and over it you have to wear the koti. Beautiful, different. This is amazing designer kurti, and over it you have to wear this koti.
Okay.
So it's stylish.
ടോപ്പിന്റെ മേളിൽ ഇടാൻ വേണ്ടി.
Yes.
Okay.
So let's see another kurta. Heavy blue color no kurta. Niche. This is also beautiful, simple and sober daily wear kurtis. You can use it in office wear also, housewife, college going girls also. And these are different products like short tops. So it's very comfortable for college going girls, housewife also. And the material, the fabric is cotton fabric, and this embroidery design and such beautiful buttons. So short tops are also available, and if you want different colors, you will definitely get it. Just WhatsApp our team, WhatsApp our online team. So this is beautiful, different kurtis. Wow, I really like it because the work is heavy, design is beautiful, and concept is unique. Full sleeve and same color, matching color, tone to tone, plazo, garara you will get like this. So it's also very comfortable, and fabric is very rich and complete, and you will get guarantee of color and fabric and everything. One more different concept, different kurti. So let's see designs, embroidery designs, and different fashion, different fabric. This fabric is rayon fabric, and look at the fashion of
Bell sleeve.
Yes, bell sleeve. So bell sleeves are also in trend. Such things are in demand, in heavy demand. Wow, this is called festival collection. This is
I like
called
this.
wedding collection. Very awesome and beautiful. So you will get same color plazo with this. So here are such beautiful catalogs. These are all celebrity style look and party wear look. Look at this amazing skirt and top in different colors.
So we have to order the entire set.
Yes, you have to order this
Entire set. 6 pieces.
Yes, let's see
Can
how
you
it looks. So
sample ഉണ്ട്.
this beautiful skirt, it looks like princess skirt in pink color, and feel are awesome. Net quality of net is high quality net we have used in it. So this is skirt, both sides you will get such feel. And let's see top. So this is top. this is beautiful top, and in top also you will get such nets designs and unique fashion. So you can see feel in the sleeves also. So top and skirt, beautiful piece we have seen. So these are our team is doing such an amazing work. This person is completing some orders, so we have got so many orders of kurtis and saris. So he is doing work of completing orders, is putting stickers, completing list and all. In phone we have continuous calling of customers. We are very proud of our team, our members. So here is also such work is going on. So let's meet super amazing person, Yogesh bhai. Hello
Hi.
sir, what your work is this? आप क्या यहाँ पे काम करते हैं?
स्टॉक अपडेटिंग का काम चालू है।
हाँ।
जैसे न्यू स्टॉक आता है तो उसका क्लियर एचडी फोटो लेके प्राइस वगैरह अपडेट करके कस्टमर को forward
ഓൺലൈൻ കസ്റ്റമർക്ക്
जी।
ഓക്കെ ദിസ് ഇസ് ന്യൂ സ്റ്റോക്ക്
Yes.
ആണ്
New stock update.
അപ്ഡേറ്റ് ആണ് വരുന്നത്. കൊള്ളാം.
And let's walk through the sari department. So we have such a big place over here, and so many saris are here. Different sari, different fabric. For example, georgette fabric, cotton silk, bandhani fabric, and every fabric are available here. If you want some heavy saris for festival and weddings, you will get it. You will also get it saris for daily use like this. So for daily use we have such a beautiful sarees, simple saree, very lightweight. If you want lightweight sarees, we have everything over here. So let's see another color, another red sarees, yellow sarees. I want to show you yellow sarees with beautiful floral print are here, and this is daily wear saree. Fabric is very nice, it feels very nice. So I want that you come here, visit our place and then buy it. And another option is that at now in such situation, corona situation, our 90% business has online. So many orders we are getting and doing amazing thing. Our team is doing amazing thing. You can also call and connect with us, connect with our online team, and you can also order it and get it everywhere. We are providing this over the world. In India, wherever you are, in world wherever you are, you can get such amazing sarees and amazing products. So it's time to watch sarees. So I want to show you some sarees, our collection. So if you are liking our collection, you can take a quick screenshot and send us, and we will provide you more information about rates and price and photos. So here we go. This is our first saree. This is daily wear saree. Beautiful orange color floral print. I want to show you length also. You will get perfect length, 6.5 meters. This fabric is Rangoli silk. So Rangoli silk is also very beautiful print. You can see print also. Print and saree is very nice. Look at this silk material. Silk material fabric. It feels amazing. It feels superb, really. And look at the print. Print is really superb. This saree is of pure crepe material. So pure crepe material. This fabric is also different. You can see this shiny material are here. And this saree is of digital brasso. Digital brasso looks like this. Floral print. So many color, multicolor. So such things also are in heavy demand. Chiffon fabric saree. So this saree are very lightweight and comfortable for daily use. So ये जो fabric आप देख रहे हैं वो है 60 gram fabric.
What? 60 gram.
60 gram.
Oh, it
Yes.
looks. It's very shining also.
Yes. So let's look at the border and work and finishing. And cotton. People are liking cotton fabric so much. And this is Swarovski work. Very different, unique and superb. Digital silk saree. Look at the color contrast. Orange and black. Very superb and stylish. And I want to also highlight you this thing. This border is of fabric. Border is of velvet fabric and very superb and stylish border. Jaipuri work. So work is heavy and finishing is superb. Let's see border. Gota patti work is here. in full border. This sari is of silk fabric. Silk fabric की beautiful sari है, and you will get partly work in here. So let's see in detail how the work is. Partly work, you can see this in all sarees.
Partly work.
Yes. So if you want some bridal collection, you will get. You want some wedding collection, you want something for party wear, you want something of net. Look at this, elephant figures. Elephant figures are here. So this thing also is very unique, and in whole border these are such things, elephant figures, and two colors, pink and blue. This fabric is called Vichitra fabric, and border is of cut work. So many pearls we have put in this sari. Beautiful floral design of embroidery work and beautiful pearls. This sari is of double shade, and fabric is two-tone fabric. So let's see how it looks.
This is very beautiful.
Beautiful and cute.
Two-tone.
Sari. Yes, two-tone sari.
With contrasting border.
Contrasting border, yes.
അതാണ്.
Grey and orange. This sari is of Brasso fabric, and Brasso fabric is also in heavy demand because it's very lightweight and looks very different and unique. I want to tell you this important thing, that in every sari you will get blouse piece also. So this is blouse piece. This fabric is Rangoli fabric, and it is also very different. Every fabric feels very different, every fabric look very different, every fabric shine very different. This work is really very, very awesome. This is celebrity look style sari. All fabric, whole fabric is of net, and net is of high quality. And at this you will get same colors, pearls and 3D flowers in it. This is really unique and very, very, very rare collection. This sari is of Jaipuri fabric, and full handwork you will get in it. This sari is full of handwork. Let's see some heavy saris also for festivals and weddings. We have covered so many part of border in here. Pearls, golden zari work and thread work you will get. How it looks. So colors and shades are very unique and different. So this kurti is very actually lightweight and comfortable for every occasion. Beautiful, awesome and lovely kurtis, right? And same work in blue color, grey, orange we have shown you. So let's go at the another department. We definitely want to show you heavy kurtis and heavy materials. So our place is very big, and you will get so many collections, so many lovely kurtis over here. So these are some party wear gowns also. So let's start from here. This work is in neck. Okay. So this is heavy embroidery work, and length is very good. And in the border you will get such designs. This part.
What is the name of this one?
Okay. This is the gown.
Gown.
Yes.
Okay. Floor touch.
Yes. Floor touch gown. Party wear. So this concept is very, very unique. This is skirt, and this is like this. Stylish and fashionable gown with dupatta. You will also get dupatta, chiffon dupatta in it. Move ahead. Oh, lovely and awesome. Peach color, light color. Looks really good. And dupatta. This dupatta you will get. So these all things are manufactured here. We are manufacturing this thing. We have already shown you the place where we manufactured all this. Our designers do the sketches, designs, then fabric comes and cutting and all things we are doing that. So this is also heavy celebrity look style gown. Next is also elegant color, classic, and work is very heavy. In all the part you will get heavy work. Such dupatta. Dupatta is also of 2.5 meter length. Next,
Wow.
so many designs, so many patterns, so many colors and all. Every piece is different and unique. See the style of sleeves. This bottom is different. Dupatta. This cut,
Nice cutting.
yes. Unique and stylish pattern. This is sleeve, work, and this thing also you will get. This cute accessories you will get from this. Banarasi dupatta. So we have so many kurtis, gowns, party wear gowns, daily wear kurtis, and I'm showing you my favorite. This is my favorite. Look at the design, style, cutting, and accessories, and the super finishing, full of finishing work. Hand work is here, and this type of work. Color is very awesome. You can see, yes. Back side, such stitched dupatta. So this thing is very different. This is dupatta and this is stitched dupatta with it. This. Something like this.
Oh. This is cotton.
Yes.
Is it?
Cotton fabric.
Okay.
It feels really nice, and summer collection. This thing is in heavy demand because of summer collection. Sleeves are full of work. One more amazing party wear gown, dark blue color gown. It's simple but very unique with unique handwork design. So this is really amazing. All things are really very amazing. All products are super fantastic, and at the end I want to tell you that if you also want to order our products, you can definitely contact us. You can directly contact us because you will get our products at the factory rate, at the lowest rate, and you will get the best collection. Or our employees are here, they are doing arrangements for completing our orders. Because of the lockdown and corona situation, we are getting so many online orders. So guys, if you also want to start business of kurtis and sari, it's very easy to contact us. You can directly contact us. If you want such an amazing product at the lowest rate, at the factory rate, you are just a WhatsApp away, you are just a call away. Just call us, contact our WhatsApp team, contact our online team, and you will get all details and price and everything. So by our product, you will be very happy. Thank you.